In front of me is ZTE Blade v2020, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and tap 7 times on build number. That's right here. And it will unlock developer mode, then smoothly open System, and here reach developer options. Scroll down and tap on System Demo Mode. And now you can smoothly turn it on by tapping on Enable Demo Mode. If you want to make it visible as well, just click on Show Demo Mode, and as you can see, the changes already visible in your status bar. And then whenever you'd like to switch demo mode off, just mark this switcher. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.